Hello everyone, welcome to this exciting journey where we explore the wonders of Austria and guide you through the process of making it your new home. Today we're talking about Austria. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Austria is a country rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. From its majestic mountains to its vibrant cities, there's so much to discover. Austria is a beautiful country. Imagine waking up to the stunning views of the Alps, or taking a leisurely stroll through the picturesque countryside. The landscapes here are truly breathtaking, offering a perfect blend of nature and tranquility. It has mountains, music, and delicious food. The Austrian Alps are a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, offering activities like skiing, hiking, and mountain biking. In the cities, you can enjoy the rich musical heritage, with street musicians filling the air with melodies. And let's not forget the food. From hearty dishes like Wiener Schnitzel to sweet treats like Sachertorte, Austrian cuisine is a delight for the senses. Many people dream of living and working in Austria. The country boasts a high quality of life, excellent healthcare, and a strong economy. Whether you're a professional looking for new opportunities or someone seeking a fresh start, Austria has something to offer. I'm here to help make your dream come true. Navigating the process of moving to a new country can be daunting, but with the right guidance, it becomes much easier. That's where this guide comes in. This guide will help you apply for a work visa in Austria. We'll cover everything you need to know, from the initial application to settling into your new life. Understanding the visa process is crucial, and we're here to break it down step by step. It's important to have the right visa. Having the correct documentation ensures that you can legally work and live in Austria without any issues. We'll explain the different types of visas available and help you determine which one is right for you. This allows you to legally work and live in Austria. With the right visa, you can enjoy all the benefits of living in this wonderful country, from its excellent public services to its vibrant cultural scene. You'll be able to build a new life for yourself and your family. We'll go through each step together. Are you ready? Let's get started. From gathering the necessary documents to submitting your application and preparing for your move, we'll be with you every step of the way. So, take a deep breath, and let's embark on this exciting journey to Austria together. Austria has different types of work visas. The most common is the red-white-red card. This visa is for skilled workers. It lets you live and work in Austria for up to 2 years. There are other visas too. There are visas for researchers and students. There are also visas for self-employed workers. We will focus on the red-white-red card today. It's the most popular work visa. To get a red-white-red card, you need to meet certain requirements. This card is your gateway to living and working in Austria, offering you a chance to experience the rich culture, stunning landscapes, and vibrant economy of this beautiful country. First, you need a job offer from an Austrian company. This job offer is crucial, as it demonstrates that you have a role waiting for you in Austria, ensuring that you can contribute to the local economy and integrate into the professional environment. This job must be in a skilled field. Austria values skilled professionals who can bring expertise and innovation to their industries. Whether you are an engineer, IT specialist, healthcare professional, or in another skilled occupation, your skills are in demand. You also need to have the right qualifications for the job. This means having the necessary education, certifications, and experience that match the job requirements. Austria places a high emphasis on qualifications to ensure that professionals are well prepared for their roles. You need to prove you can support yourself financially. This is to ensure that you can sustain your living expenses without relying on public funds. Financial stability is a key factor in your application. This means having enough money saved. You will need to show proof of sufficient funds in your bank account to cover your living costs, including housing, food, and other essentials. You also need health insurance that covers you in Austria. Health insurance is mandatory to ensure that you have access to medical care when needed. It protects you from unexpected medical expenses and provides peace of mind. Finally, you must have a clean criminal record. This is to ensure the safety and security of the community. A police clearance certificate from your home country will be required to prove that you have no criminal history. Austria is not just about work, it's also about enjoying a high quality of life. From the majestic Alps to the historic cities, Austria offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. Whether you enjoy skiing, hiking, or exploring museums and galleries, there's something for everyone. The culinary scene in Austria is another highlight. You can savor traditional dishes like Wiener Schnitzel, Apfelstrudel, and Sachertorte. The local cuisine is a delightful mix of flavors and traditions that reflect the country's diverse history. Austria is also known for its rich cultural events and festivals. From classical music concerts to folk festivals, there's always something happening. These events are a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture and meet new people. The public transportation system in Austria is efficient and reliable, making it easy to get around. Whether you are commuting to work or exploring the country, you will find that the trains, buses, and trams are well connected and punctual. One of the key benefits of living in Austria is the excellent work-life balance. The country places a strong emphasis on ensuring that people have time to relax and enjoy life outside of work. This balance contributes to overall well-being and happiness. In conclusion, obtaining a red-white-red card is your first step towards a fulfilling life in Austria. By meeting the requirements and preparing thoroughly, you can look forward to a new chapter filled with professional opportunities and personal growth. Are you ready for Austria? The first step is to find a job in Austria. Start by looking online. There are many websites that list jobs in Austria. You can also contact Austrian companies directly. Networking is important. Talk to people you know. They might know of job openings in Austria. Once you have a job offer, make sure you get it in writing. This is an important document for your visa application. Section 5, Step 2, Gather your papers. Now it's time to gather your documents. This step is crucial to ensure that you have everything you need for a smooth application process. Missing even one document can delay your plans significantly. So let's make sure we cover all the bases. You will need your passport. This is your primary identification document and will be required for almost every step of your application. Make sure it's valid for at least 6 months after your planned stay in Austria. This is a common requirement for international travel and ensures that you won't face any issues with your visa or entry into the country. You will also need your birth certificate and marriage certificate if applicable. These documents are essential for verifying your identity and civil status. If you're married, your marriage certificate will be necessary to prove your relationship status. You will need your diplomas and transcripts. These documents are crucial for proving your educational background. Make sure you have the originals or certified copies, as these will be required for verification. These documents prove your education and skills. They are essential for job applications, further studies, or any professional engagements you plan to undertake in Austria. You will also need your employment contract. This document is vital if you are moving to Austria for work. It outlines the terms of your employment, including your job role, responsibilities, and other important details. This document shows your job offer and salary. It's important to have this on hand, as it will be required for your visa application and to prove your financial stability while living in Austria. Organizing your documents in a systematic manner will save you a lot of time and stress. Use folders or binders to keep everything in order. Label each section clearly so you can easily find what you need when you need it. A checklist can be incredibly helpful. Write down all the documents you need and check them off as you gather each one. This way, you can be sure you haven't missed anything. It's also a good idea to make digital copies of all your important documents. Scan them and save them in a secure location on your computer or cloud storage. This provides a backup in case you lose the originals. Once you have all your documents gathered and organized, place them in a secure envelope or folder. This will keep them safe and ensure that you have everything ready when it's time to submit your application. Taking the time to gather and organize your papers now will make the rest of the process much smoother. You'll feel more confident and prepared, knowing that you have everything you need. With your documents in hand, you're one step closer to your new adventure in Austria. Stay organized, stay focused, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals. Good luck. Section 6, Step 3, Apply for your visa. You can apply for your visa online or in person. The Austrian embassy or consulate in your home country handles visa applications. Check their website for the process. You will need to fill out an application form. You will also need to provide all the documents we discussed. Make sure your documents are translated into German. This is the official language of Austria. Section 7, Step 4, Pay the fee. There is a fee to apply for a red-white-red card. The fee amount varies. You can pay the fee online or in person. Make sure you keep your payment receipt. Section 8, Step 5, Be patient. Once you submit your application, it takes time to process. It can take several weeks or even months. Be patient and wait for a decision. You can check the status of your application online. Section 9. Step 6. Interview time. You might be called for an interview. The interview is at the Austrian embassy or consulate. They will ask about your reasons for moving to Austria. They will also ask about your job and qualifications. Section 10. Step 7. You made it. If your application is approved, you will get your visa. Congratulations. You are one step closer to living and working in Austria. Make sure you follow the instructions on your visa. Section 11. Enjoy Austria. You are now ready to start your new life in Austria. Embrace the culture, explore the beautiful scenery, and enjoy the delicious food. Welcome to Austria.